Attention! 5 warning signs of breast cancer that many women ignore. Cancer is one of the most dangerous diseases that has affected the human race. And the most common type of cancer seen in females are breast cancer, which are basically cancerous cells present in the breast which spread throughout the body due to the ability of cells to grow boundlessly. A study has indicated that 18.2% deaths all over the world is by breast cancer. As with any disease, especially of that of cancer, proper awareness and early detection would prove at most useful, and would help in positive treatment result. If found at early stage and with proper treatment, it can save the life of the deceased. Warning signs of breast cancer vary from woman to woman, and these are some cases where symptoms don't show up at all. I enlighten you with the 5 warning signs and symptoms on early stages of cancer, which are critical and make a mandatory visit to the doctor if found. 1. A new mole or change in existing mole. Moles are generally an indication of cancer, but it can also indicate the presence of breast cancer. In a study that included women between the age of 45 to 60, it was found that they are more likely to be affected with cancer whose sole indication is by the formation of mole, and has 13% more chance of having breast cancer than women who has no moles. Any unusual thickening or lump formation in the breasts or armpits are also an indication for breast cancer. This is most likely to be least taken care of, as we think of moles as a usual thing, but this can also be an indication to the formation of breast cancer. 2. A cough or hoarse throat that won't subside or reduce. According to statistics, breast cancer also passes on to become lung cancer. Shortness of breath and cough are the most common symptoms. If you have a cough that lasts for more than 2 or 3 weeks, or if you cough up blood, then consult a doctor right away, as this can also lead to cancer. 3. Changes in the bladder or bowels. One of the devastating changes in the body when affected by cancer is the changes in hormones. Cancer triggers change in hormone excretion, and this also leads to several effects in the body, such as drying of urethra. This also leads to urine leaking when you cough, sneeze, exercise, or even laugh. You may also experience a sudden and urgent need to urinate, and urination that takes longer than usual. 4. Fatigue. It is one of the most common symptoms in all the diseases. This is one of the least likely symptoms to be considered as an indication for cancer in women, due to menopause in women of the age 45 to 55, as it is most likely to occur during stopping of menstruation. This type of fatigue cannot be overcome by sleep or rest, as most fatigue does. The reason for this is as this fatigue is not caused due to any physical strain and accompanied by pain in shoulders, backbone, or other parts of the body, or even sleep disturbance or depression due to hormonal changes. But rather this fatigue is caused by the formation of chemicals which make imbalance in the body system, as these chemical imbalance is created by the cancerous cells. 5. Unexplained back pain. Breast cancer is usually accompanied by pain around back, shoulder, or even the neck area. In some women, breast cancer is felt in back or shoulders rather than in the breasts. This is the reason why spine specialists routinely look for the presence of tumors when treating chronic back pain, which is not relieved by physical therapy. The pain, which is typically in the upper back or between the shoulder, is easily confused with sore muscles, a full tendon, or ligament in the spine. It is also felt as a pressure on the ribs and spine, which may be an indication that breast cancer is forming or has spread to the bones. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.